Good evening, good evening. Jesus well. See this woman now where be say he dey France. Eh? Now you born. You born pikin. You go beg Ghana mama be say me can't write name for your pikin. You don't write name for your pikin, they give your pikin paper. You know wait me everything dey okay. Now so the woman carry pian, he come up for there, go me government. He go me government. Now so the man is not treated the way, he's not doing the way. He lie one lie, lie two lie. You know also now want play government. If the table turn around for now. If the table turn around for now. Now so he go lie one lie. After that, I don't want to summarize the thing. May not be say na it matter job because since he say no, they come out to come to Oma no gualo there, I'm out there. Uma gualo, they not go still show you. For to just carry the as the pikin don't get paper, may still stay there, maintain himself, find work, may they give him paper, find work. He carry himself, go give government. Now so they give him one room for one hotel. He say now so they give him because like say now hotel that they use for their social house so that they give. And so they stay. From there, now they Google everything see and say, at least the father of the child, you need to they support you, then we need to hear from her. When they go meet the Ghana man, wait till he talk. He said no. He not sure say the baby na you. Because the man don't want to use the case, say tie himself. He don't want to use and tie himself, say I'm not the father. He don't want to use and tie himself, say I'm not the father. Now he tell they say I'm not sure if that baby is for me, if that child is for me, I'm not sure. They say why? Can you do DNA? You go fit pay. The boy say yes, he go pay. They say okay, since now you say not be your may you pay. The boy pay for DNA because the right hand letter say you need to they support this woman with so money. The Ghana man not fit they work, they support person where you want help, eh? He not fit do one. You know what they support woman where be say I help you, give you paper. May not come to say the baby is not for me, oh, I just help her, oh, may they not come, may not put himself for problem. Now he tell to say he not sure say the baby not na you. That is why he ask her to go. They say, okay, can you prove it? Can you do DNA? Say yes. He pay. He prefer to sacrifice one time for that money to do DNA done. Picky where you not born because say you give a document, you can't they pay every month. The Ghana man sacrifice himself, pay, do DNA. The council say not be he picking. Not be picking. Now they tell the girl say, okay, right now, the man not be picking and he not fit they pay you. You not get paper. Now your picking get document. So, and you say now you get and you make us to follow every direction. To say na in get am. For that reason, we can help you for a while, but we can't help you for long for now. They not keep them for that hotel for long. After some time, I tell the girl say they will collect the baby from her. May he find where he want go, or may he come out. May he evacuate the apartment where they give her. That's all the girl take come out for there. He go he Jamie. He reach for her to just stay. For her to just stay that country. Many of you that have similar problem like this, they go the country where your pikin get document. They go tell you say may you leave our country, and the pikin get document. You don't kill yourself. You have every right to remain there. Now the case come worse. Nigeria una yari aduro. Dojemi come see and say you carry aduro. You don't fetch up aduro for France before. And your pikin get document for that side. Now they tell you, say me, you go back to France. They give her, it be like now the 18th of this month. Now they give her rich. And they not come give her a document. Oh. The document of the child and our document, if they jam her hand, they say they go give her for border. They don't even buy a ticket. Everything. Say they go give her for the border. They want return her back to Bordeaux, Abi, where I take her. They want return her back there. They tell you for France, may you come up for their country. And your pikin get document. You was not smart enough to ask. Go where una go for learn. Say, oh, they see some kind thing. Yeah, na cancel locate. Maybe you maybe ya cancel maybe man. Or na this one. Or na women in distress. Or na that one. Or na that one. Or na this woman where they do something back home. At least nive boy. Why me bo? Ask questions. If you ask me question, I don't understand. You get people where I go still ask. I don't mind calling my lawyer as well. Ask questions. Follow no road. They tell you, go leave our country. Because say your pikin got document, you come meet wrong communication. Where tell you say, oh, you be your pikin get document. If you go another country, through your pikin document, they'll give you. Now lie. Now your pikin get, not be you. Now when you get, you give your pikin, it's okay. If your pikin won't give you, they take another procedure. If they take another procedure. I saw the woman pack it back, go Jamie, go chop aduro. The same thing we take chop for them. Now they say, Uka in every France. You are not welcome here. They first put on for one refugee for there. Oh, after all, they don't call the result. Now they come in and say, no, we are not going to release the document or you now border, we go forgive you the document. Border. They not say they release and give on now. If you don't go another country, if you come Belgium, or you go Spain, or if you run, they hold the document. They say, may you go now border, they go release and to you. Now border they go give you, and if you still reach there, you need to go tell them for that side where you don't come. They know how they go do, and they not go and do your paper give you. They go and do to France. Now so this woman now they call now. I beg go, I they find hook up, I they find man. If now Belgium day, me I just me because whatever man now here go still reject you, go another country. And they use and teach now. I not mention your name so that others go learn. If your pikin get documents. And he did that country, you not get at all, your pikin get. And that country tell you, say, leave our country, not go. The only thing you will do, find a place, put your address and the pikin, because your pikin must get address. And that place where you put the address, not stay there. You they get the point. If they ask you, say, leave our country, go away. And that country, now your pikin get document, you not get. My dear, read my lips. Not go any other country. Because now that country where your pikin forget documents, where you there, so now there you get priority to fight your own documents. A country of Emir because now one system all of them get. If you even lie through your pikin document and everything, they go see your status. So why run it to another country? Is your child. Through that your pikin document, they go see everything about you. So you can't go to another country to forge another lie. So why living there? Why living that country? The best thing for you to do, stay the country, find where carry address, put your pikin address there, put your own there, but not stay there. Go they stay another house. So that if they come that address, they not go meet you there. Because if they meet you for there, if you be said they go collect your child, they go deport you. It don't happen for this country where they collect person pikin deport the mother. It don't happen. It don't happen. I felt on the story, the Ghana woman where they do my hair that time. It don't happen. Carry your address, put to another place. Then you go they stay another house. Not stay where your address. They so that if they come in the middle of the night or morning afternoon, they not go see you carry. But they often go they check letter. Stay in that country, stand and stay there and fight your document because now there you get your priority. Now there you get your rights. From there you go come, they keep low. Find any way. Find your way by way. That is why many people today will go they talk say you be ashawo, you be this, you be that, you be that. If you not get money to take chop, you can't turn to beggar. No, you have a dustbin. For them to go they pick food to inside dustbin. He better use waiting get to look for waiting not get. The truth is bitter, but it has to be told. Many of us come to this Europe today. We not get any option. No brother there here where you want to stay as. No sister there here. Nothing. And you can't jam one or ibo way they smell. No be when. And that's the only way for you to get roof over your head, for you to get your document. Now you can't stay with and they maintain the about the back lot or it check. No rajo. Walking clean to your own way. You not go tell say, oh, we are here, oh, wake up, say, we are near, wake up. Now, what many people do? It can't they surprise me today to work here again, He can't they surprise me today. The only people when me they mock. Now people will be say, you did this country for more than 17 years, 15 years. You get documents. You did this country with a document. You prefer to go use and do a shower. Instead of you to carry that document to go use and do normal job. For normal job, you go even receive more money than a shower. That is the only people I mock so that they go quick stop them. That is the only people I mock. For those that are struggling for their daily meal, they not get document, they not get paper, they not get nothing. They are just struggling. Mia wa eti mi womo iwe mureni gu we koke free of charge we ya also nu ya de okay. I have done it before and I can still repeat it. Mia wa eti mi womo we mure ima nu ya momo na ya oibogo kon you put some go carry their baby go where they hustle. Put cloth or ground, put them there. No, if you are that type, mia wa mi womo miwe mulawa, may you go. I go collect the picky for you. But say you get documents. Government don't give you paper. You are not satisfied with that document to go and walk around just to come they do showcase. They'll do show off. I want to you this house is my next opening as this hotel. All those things are vanity. All those things are vanity. Wow, who say yeah? Eh? So live a good life, a decent life. Now that you are still alive. All that house where you want to do gifts for yourself. All that property where you want to do whatever. One day if you cover your eye, people where you don't know the kind of Igbo where you carry. They'll come sit down for parlor cross leg. Come the other people around. What till you not go do if you dey alive? What till you not go do if you dey alive? When I dey Nigeria, my sister Pekin, he say, Auntie, when are you leaving? When are you going? When are you going? I say, why? He said, because this is our family house. It's not your house. I said, Rion, no. Rion, no. Yeah, now your papa house. Because most of the time, if your husband just travel, come out, say not there around, he go just come that place, come relax. La lady, atie. La lady. So if I ask them, if Pekin go to tell Auntie, when are you going? Because this is our family house. You don't have to be telling me, so says, give me water to drink. So says, no, you have to go to your house. Leave our house for us. They don't recognize you. Now those people where grew up for them, I go. Now sometimes if they do any family meeting, anything, I will call that person. The person where they send go. Now lalo that ye. Padomo. Yeah, if he come, go they say no. Now so you go remain. So why killing yourself now? It's good to have properties. It's good to have something, but when you know that you have had it, there is no need of getting 100 to intimidate others. You are only intimidating your bekos. You are only destroying your vagina. There is no need for all that. Cut it. Cut it. If you don't have property, try to get 1, 2, okay. Use your document. Now only when you never did very well, okay, you never did balance. Like, okay, you can do it, no problem. You never dey okay. You never marry. You never dey okay. You don't put in for a job for many years. I'm at here where you not get picky where you want abandon. You not get husband where you want abandon. You don't get anything where you want abandon. Nothing. It's just you. Working in your life, you can go and do anything you want to do because you just want to do it. You don't put in for work. They not call you. You want you run away. You can do it, no problem. For those who be say they call them for normal job. Always, esa gen koko gba gongon. Mi a esa gen mi la we no gba gongon to we are here. So they say 200 years. Esa gen koko gba gongon. Sa gen koko gba gongon. Imama no me pare boni jiyan bo. E pare boni yan ya gbigbe agya with document. And that parable they say they do now with document. If I don't see anybody where they also and he get document, he get picky, get husband, he see they use the document also. He will call star. Oh we it's like a bag one way here. Oh we wa be jaka it away. In not tiny, it's like a bag one always here. Why me anybody where you are here any sister, it's like a bag one it was a. You know, please, my dear people, who are the group, who are the set of people you are mingling with? Who are that set of people you they mingle with? You dey Europe many years, no document, nothing. You are just there. You feel all right. You are so comfortable. All these days ago, many years ago, if you call Europe, you never get documents. People will get documents. We go the toilet for them. Whether they senior you or whether they not senior you or a sister Mathieu because many years ago, you call Europe, you not get document. Whether they senior you, they not senior a sister because the high rank where we they put them. My dear people, I they beg you now. If you did any country and they give your picking paper, they never give you. Stay that if they give you 5 days to live, 10 days to live, 20 days to live, they give out to you. Try to run away from them. Go find where a rent apartment. Put your name and your picking address. They find how you will take doing. Take lawyer. Take private one because if you take if you take the normal social lawyer, the normal one, where they go, you go meet many lawyers. They be private. May I remind you, many lawyers are private, but they are still working for government. Should the case, many lawyers are private, but they are still working for government. And you they fight, you want fight government. Those kind of lawyers not go feel help you fight government. I don't know whether or not they get my point. You not my friend, I they fight for you, and another person come meet me, make me still fight for you. I go only put your file for me though. I not go quick give you feedback because me not fit join that one they fight you. Because that is why a lot of lawyers will be say governments help them in their schools or wherever, or one way or the other, they sign contracts with government, that they work with government. Many lawyers, they not just full private, they don't get any link with government. So before you take lawyer, ask questions. If you go take lawyer where they work with social, and that lawyer na 2-in-1, is a private and he work also with social. Private and also with social, 2-in-1 lawyer. You go meet that kind of lawyer. May help you fight your document. He not go fit fight am wella. He go they postpone you. You go they talk say, oh, I get lawyer oh. He tell me your bail lawyer ne. 1 year go pass. I get lawyer oh. He tell me your bail lawyer ne. 2 years go pass. I get lawyer. They go they ask, we marry a lawyer. We may lawyer oh. And the lawyer may rima. In a lawyer and rima 3 years, 4 years. I marry a ben when nothing. You go no say na 2-in-1. He's fighting for government and he's also a private. So you not go come fight government for your sake. He go only stand in the middle. They wait 50-50. Anytime where government say they want share paper, he go use opportunity, swap your file inside. Anytime when the country say we want share paper, oh, they go just carry your file, put for the middle. And I do I mean way. The other one go say they don't the share paper for Jamie this year. Belgium try this year. Hey, because you'll not be say your lawyer put your file in between. But if you have a real private one, international one as at that, you don't need to pay too much if you know your way. Lawyer, they get their fee, consultation fee they to carry your case. Make the opener when you take consult them, like tell them your problem, tell them what is everything wrong with you. You go pay that one, that kind of fee they. For them to open your file, to start your file, the money day. For them to carry your file, go Strasbourg. For the European Court of Human Rights. Now there they go help you fight and they'll come release them. Now all those one for Strasbourg, now them. Now go come look into your statutes. Look into welfare for the country where you dey. Now they go come order your documents from above. Now then be the human rights, EU, European Union, Human Rights Court. Now them, that lawyer now, local lawyer can't get there. Now then go come carry, now that international private lawyer go come carry your case. Go there. They go come look, if they take time, not be say go, you'll be 1 month. Asha una no say that ki sharply wagwalo. That is why I'm telling you now, earlier the better for you. If you be person where you already dey Paris, France, or whatever, it is because the court now within, not be international again now. It's a local thing now. Now then to come carry and go there. It easy. Now from above, whether na Germany you dey, Spain, Italy, Germany, Austria, Luxembourg, wherever. Now there be the European Union Court of Human Rights. Now there they go come carry your file go. They go come look into round. We are with basic, you know where. So that is it, my darling people. Please don't allow people to mago you. In your time when one na people where they chop. Don't allow person to chop for your head. If you they chop for person head na batting. Don't allow anybody to outsmart you. Don't allow it. Deviate from me go. You can act talo. 1 sense. You can't pick one thing. I'm not trying to say here is the best on something. We got to bring things to our table, our daily things. If you know say you dey Europe 10 years, go and solve your problem right now. You know you are in Europe 5 years, 15 years. How do you start? The first step is for you to ask, how many years this country they dey? If you did this country, Google it out. Google it. Ask Google now our native daughter now. The reason why our forefather they go meet or both then because a Google exists. They want happy away. Sharply. Baba, where me very still thank you. Thank you guys for giving me listening here. It's not easy, but let's try to deviate. No day. Who are your mentor today? Who are that person they look up to? Who be your mentor? Who be the person where they look up to? Who are they? How are they impacting in your life? How are they building you up? How are they trying to help your ministry? How are they trying to lift you higher? How are they helping you? Sit down and calculate it. If I have you as my friend, you are not contributing into my life, I drop you. Contribution does not mean you have to donate and give me money. Contribution, join my own wisdom. If you see say they do wrong thing, tell it to me. I'm ready to learn and take it. I'm ready to accept it. And if you be my friend, you do something bad, I correct you, not take on. I drop you as well. It's 2 ways of dropping people. Now only you want they correct you. You not feel correct and drop them. Now only you want they correct you also. Anytime when you want correct them, you not go take drop them. Subscribe to our mommy channel, mommy Bridget, Ovoro. Ovoro, Ovoro. Mommy Bridget Ovoro. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and as well, Kate's Kitchen and more. Go and subscribe to my channel as well. Let me play our mommy music for us. Be a go-getter and mind the circle you are mingling with. Mind the group you are following today. Is it a group that lifts you up or a group that brings you down? You have to answer that question because I don't know the type of group you are mingling with. I don't know the type of friends you are having today. You are the right person to answer that question. And please, make your decision today so that tomorrow will never be too late for you. It's never too late until it's finally late.